Today I'm baking something spooky. This is the mummy apple pie. A delicious apple pie with cinnamon and all that lovely autumnal spice, but with evil eyes lurking out of bandages within, all topped off with a blood red sorbet. This is a terrifying and delicious dessert, perfect for a Halloween party. Now let's get baking. To start this recipe, we're going to make a toffee syrup. So to do that, get some sugar, some caster sugar into a pan on a low heat and just cook that until it browns. Be really careful because this is going to be super hot. Then add some plant-based cream into that mix and watch it start to bubble, and then a touch of vegan butter. Stir that around until it's completely melted away. A touch of sea salt and our toffee applesauce is complete. Next up, melt some butter in a big pan and then add some apples that have been sliced into bite-sized chunks. A load of brown sugar and some vanilla paste will add sweetness and gorgeous vanilla-y flavour. And of course, it's autumn, so let's pop a cinnamon stick on there as well. A squeeze of lemon will help all of that to break down and sweeten it all even further, and then stir it all together and let it simmer before adding our wonderful brown, sweet, sticky toffee sauce from before. What a delicious thing that looks like. This kitchen smells incredible. Now keep that to one side. Now we're ready to make our pie. Make sure you grease the bottom of this tin and then some shortcrust pastry. Of course, make sure it's plant-based and keep those edges for later. Add your apples, these beautiful toffee apples in that amazing, gorgeous toffee sauce, looking delicious, gonna taste incredible. The perfect filling for any apple pie. Make sure they're nicely pushed out to the edges. You know, you don't want any kind of weird empty bits. And then we're gonna make kind of mummy bandages with our leftover bits of pastry. Brush them over with a touch of plant-based milk and then some Demerara sugar. It's gonna help it all to brown perfectly. Whack that in the oven 20 to 25 minutes at 180, maybe a little bit longer until it goes brown. The final touch, not essential, are these edible vegan eyes. Don't they look silly? Don't they look ridiculous? Don't they look terrifying? Halloweeny apple pie. And then we're gonna top it off with our evil, scary, blood red velvet sorbet. Oh my goodness, that thing is terrifying. I don't even want to look at it anymore. But trust me, it's delicious. Cinnamon flavors, apple, burnt toffee, delicious. The mummy apple pie, or as my fiance MJ called it, the eyes pie. This thing is incredible. It's got that blood red sorbet which just melts down on top of it, and it's got all those lovely Halloweeny flavors. Let's see what Ian thinks.
It smells really, really nice. There's something very good about like cooked apples in general.
Yes.
It's good.
It fills the whole house with the taste of home.
I like these little eyes, they're cool.
Yeah. So dude, just go in.
Just dig in, yeah?
Dig in.
Oh, it smells amazing.
I'm going in too.
Yeah, man. Oh, it tastes a lot like toffee apple.
Yes.
It genuinely has that really nice kind of burnt, fiery November stroke October kind of taste to it. This is really delicious.
There you have it. The perfect Halloween party dish. Delicious with a blood red sorbet. Find the vegan edible eyes if you can to make it look extra spooky. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time.
See you soon, guys. Peace.
Bye-bye.